Writing a letter.
Did you write a letter to your grandmother?
Yes, I wrote it yesterday.
Did you tell her about your new job?
Of course, I included all the details.
That's wonderful. She'll love hearing from you.
I hope so.
Writing an essay.
Did you write your essay for English class?
No, I didn't write it.
Why not? The deadline is tomorrow.
I've been so busy, but I'll finish it tonight.
Don't leave it too late.
I know I won't.
Writing a shopping list.
Did you write the shopping list for this week?
Yes, I wrote it this morning.
Great. Did you include milk and eggs?
Yes, and I added some snacks too.
Perfect. Let's go shopping later.
Sounds good.
Writing a novel.
Did you write any chapters of your novel this week?
Yes, I wrote 2 chapters yesterday.
That's impressive. How's the story coming along?
Really well. I'm feeling inspired.
That's great to hear. Keep it up.
Thanks, I will.
Writing a birthday card.
Did you write a birthday card for Sarah?
No, I didn't write it.
You should do it soon. Her birthday is tomorrow.
I'll write it tonight after dinner.
Don't forget to add something personal.
I won't.
Writing a poem.
Did you write a poem for the competition?
Yes, I wrote one last night.
That's great. What's it about?
It's about nature and the seasons.
That sounds beautiful. Good luck.
Thanks.
Writing an apology.
Did you write an apology to your boss?
Yes, I wrote it this morning.
Was it difficult to write?
A little, but I wanted to make it sincere.
I'm sure your boss will appreciate it.
I hope so.
Writing a song.
Did you write a new song for the band?
Yes, I wrote the lyrics last night.
That's awesome. What's it about?
It's about chasing your dreams.
I can't wait to hear it.
I think you'll love it.
Writing a speech.
Did you write your speech for the event?
No, I didn't write it.
You should start soon. The event is next week.
I know. I'll work on it this weekend.
Good plan. Make sure it's impactful.
I will.
Writing notes.
Did you write any notes during the meeting?
Yes, I wrote down the key points.
Can you share them with me later?
Sure, I'll email them to you.
Thanks, that'll be really helpful.
No problem.
Writing a diary entry.
Did you write in your diary last night?
Yes, I wrote about my trip to the city.
That's great. Was it a long entry?
Not too long, but it covered everything.
Diaries are such a good way to reflect.
I agree.
Writing an email.
Did you write an email to your professor?
Yes, I wrote it this morning.
Did you ask about the assignment?
Yes, and I'm waiting for a reply.
I'm sure they'll respond soon.
I hope so.
Writing a thank you note.
Did you write a thank you note for your teacher?
Yes, I wrote it after the last class.
That's so thoughtful. What did you say?
Just how much I appreciated their support.
That's lovely. I'm sure they'll treasure it.
I hope so.
Writing a job application.
Did you write your job application?
No, I didn't write it. I've been procrastinating.
You should do it soon. Deadlines are important.
I know, I'll work on it tonight.
Good luck. Let me know if you need help.
Thanks, I will.